Today we are going to introduce our 400 watt electrosurgical unit. It's about equipment feature, how we set up the machine and use it, and what should be careful during the operation. As you can see in the video, the 400 watt electrosurgical unit is with bigger size and more function. When we switch on, the power indicator will be lighting here and the alarm indicator here. The selecting button here is for change the different working mode from monopolar to bipolar. The 400 watt electrosurgical unit is for monopolar and bipolar. Its maximum 7 working modes. They are pure cut, blend 1, blend 2, standard code, spread code, bipolar cut, bipolar code. Here is 3 buttons for select different working modes. The up and down button here is for increase and decrease the power output during the surgery. We can see different color, yellow and blue here. Yellow color is for cutting and the blue color is for coagulation. Down here is the socket for bipolar forceps. And here, the socket is connected with the neutral pad. The socket beside it is connected with the electrosurgical pencil. Here is the power button. So now let's check out what standard accessories come with equipment. We got user manual, teeth cleaner for clean the electrode, the fuse, power cable, hand switch electrosurgical pencil, yellow for cutting, the blue button for coagulation. And we also have different type of electrodes for replace during the surgery. They are standard needle electrode, standard blend electrode, extend bore electrode, and extend blend electrode. This is the foot switch electrosurgical pencil. There's no push buttons here because it should together with the foot switch to control the cut and code. We got foot switch and hand switch electrosurgical pencil. It just depends on the operation heavy by surgeon. Patient plate cable. 5 pieces disposable bipolar patient plate. We recommend the disposable one because it can stick smoothly to the body. And on the other hand, our machine has detect function. There's double piece here. If we lose one piece or if we haven't stick properly, the machine will be alarmed. So for this, the doctor can double confirm the connection between equipment and the patient. So that's all standard accessories with equipment. On this part, we are going to set up 400 watt electrosurgical unit and connect all necessary accessories. Here is the front side of equipment and here is the back side. Let's connect the power cable. And then connect the foot switch. If you would like to control the power output by foot, you can use the foot switch and together with the foot switch electrosurgical pencil. Or if you prefer to control the power output by hand, you can use the hand push button electrosurgical pencil. But on this video, we will use the foot switch. At last, we should connect the patient plate cable with the patient plate. and put it into this socket. This socket is for neutral plate, and the socket beside it is for optional bipolar function. We had connected accessories. Now let's turn on the machine. The equipment system will go through 5 seconds for self-detect. If anything wrong, it will alarm. Now we are on bipolar mode. Let's change to monopolar. The equipment is alarming and showing error code E01 on the display. And the alarm indicator here is lighting. So what will be the next? We should stick the patient plate on the body, which is clean, muscles rich, and around the surgery area. If we lose the patient plate, it will be alarming again. So that is high safety and ensure it forms a complete current circuit between the equipment and the patient. So now we will use a mitt and try to operate the equipment and then get the working effect for cutting and coagulation. Here is pure cut. We can select the power output here. And this is the foot switch pedal. Yellow for cutting, blue for coagulation. So we are using the monopolar cut. So now we check. The next is blend 1. Blend 1 is for 60% cut and 40% cold. Let's change the electrode. Now we try. Blend 2 is for 30% cut and 70% cold. Now we try. Let's try to use the standard code. We should press the pedal here for blue. And then use the spread code. And select the power output here. The bipolar function here is for optional.